Imagine an animal that can survive in space, another that can regrow its own brain, and one that might actually live forever. These creatures sound like science fiction, but they're real. Scattered across our planet are animals so strange, so powerful, that they seem to break the very laws of nature. Scientists have studied them for years, yet some of their abilities are still impossible to fully explain. Today, we're exploring animals that shouldn't exist, but do. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This tiny creature is almost indestructible. It can survive extreme heat, freezing temperatures close to absolute zero, and even intense radiation. But what shocked scientists the most is that tardigrades can survive in the vacuum of space. With no air, no water, and deadly radiation, they simply shut down their body into a state called cryptobiosis. And when conditions become normal again, they come back to life. It's as if they can pause death itself. Now imagine losing a limb and growing it back completely. Meet the axolotl. This strange-looking amphibian has a power that almost seems impossible. It can regenerate its legs, its spine, even parts of its brain. Unlike humans, its body doesn't form scars. Instead, it perfectly rebuilds damaged tissues. Scientists are studying axolotls to understand how regeneration works. Because if we unlock this secret, it could change the future of medicine forever. What if death wasn't permanent? Meet the immortal jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish has an ability that defies nature. When it becomes injured or reaches old age, it can reverse its life cycle, returning back to its younger form. And then, it grows up again. This process can repeat over and over, making it one of the only creatures on Earth that could potentially live forever. But in the wild, it can still be eaten by predators. So its immortality isn't perfect. In the ocean lives a creature with a punch so powerful, it can break glass. Meet the mantis shrimp. This small animal strikes with incredible speed, faster than a bullet. Its punch creates a shockwave that can stun or kill its prey instantly. And for a brief moment, the water around its claw becomes as hot as the surface of the sun. All from a single strike. Now imagine an insect that defends itself with an explosion. Meet the Bombardier Beetle. When threatened, it mixes chemicals inside its body and releases them as a boiling hot spray. This liquid can reach temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius, and it's fired with a popping sound like a tiny explosion, a natural chemical weapon built inside a tiny insect. Deep in the ocean lives a creature that looks like it came from another world, the Goblin Shark. With its long snout and extendable jaw, it can shoot its mouth forward to catch prey in an instant. Living in the deep sea, it exists in a place where sunlight never reaches, a dark, alien world right here on Earth. These creatures challenge everything we think we know about life. They survive where nothing should. They evolve abilities that seem impossible. And they remind us of one important truth. Nature is far more powerful and mysterious than we understand. If such creatures exist on Earth, what else might be out there? The world is full of life. But not all life follows the rules. Some animals break them completely. And somewhere on this planet, there may still be creatures waiting to be discovered. Creatures that shouldn't exist, but do.